professional learning resources, now in one place. We know that the single most important influence on learner success within the education system is the quality of teaching and learning. The National Professional Learning Entitlement aims to support education professionals in their continued development with high quality teaching and learning at the absolute forefront. When the entitlement launched in September 22, the Minister set out that it would make it easier for all practitioners to access and navigate high quality professional learning provision that meets their professional learning needs and supports the realisation of national priorities, such as the implementation of Curriculum for Wales, supporting learners with additional learning needs, and embedding equity, well-being and the Welsh language across the whole school community. Equitable access to professional learning is a key element of the entitlement. The entitlement is for all practitioners, teachers, teaching assistants and school leaders. And it's a consistent offer that can be accessed by practitioners wherever they may be based in Wales. So what are we doing to support the key aims of the entitlement? Well, firstly, to ensure quality professional learning, we're introducing a new quality assurance or endorsement process. This is currently in its pilot phase and is focusing on the national elements of the newly qualified teacher induction programme. The pilot endorsement process is being evaluated by an independent practitioner panel to refine the process in advance of wider rollout. And secondly, we've also developed a new professional learning area on Hub with a view to providing a single point of access to high quality, easily navigable professional learning from a wide range of providers to meet the needs of all education professionals and support the education reform journey in Wales.